Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. Hey, today we're checking out a fully renovated end unit, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, Colony Cove, beachfront condo. We're about 5 minutes east of Christiansted. Beautiful landscaping, beautiful pool, even a grill and a bar down there if you want to have a little party. The place has been renovated from top to bottom. All new floors, all new bathrooms, all new kitchen. The kitchen's even got a custom Kegerator built into the countertop. So if you're having some buddies over, you can pop a fresh draft right on site. Super cool. You're gonna love this place. Let's go check it out. Okay, starting off right at the parking lot, up a couple steps, and here we are at the unit. You've got neighbor 205A to the left, and then 206A, the one we're checking out, to the right. That's an extra storage closet that comes with this unit. Not every unit has that. But check this out. Look how sweet this is. Beautiful floors, kitchen off to the left, pass through the living area, and straight out to this awesome balcony. Look at the view of this. Oh my God. How fantastic is that? So beautiful. You got the pool right down there. There's a grill and a bar down there that you can use as an owner. So if you're having a get together, that's the place to hang. Then you got a beautiful little lounge along here. Great place to set your drink. Check out the ocean view. And then here we are looking back from the lounge down the long gallery, all covered and shady. Super nice. 2 sets of sliders. One goes into the living room here, one into the master bedroom there. So easy access. All right, let's go back in and check this place out. Right off the gallery, through these sweet, new, silky smooth sliders, straight into the living room. How nice is this? Love that modern light kit fan combo up above. Super nice. As we head back in on the left, you've got a nice long wet bar that runs along here, your bottle cooler, your Kegerator. You've got a bar sink here, and this has drinking quality water filtration out of that faucet right there. Underneath the cabinet, you see that filter? There's several of them in there. That makes that drinking quality. You also have it in the kitchen right there to the right of the faucet. Real plus. Got a pantry off in the corner here. Vented stove. And then here we are looking back, nice little workstation here, maybe a little buffet. And then looking back towards the living area itself. Okay, let's take a quick right. You got a closet here, main panel, and then you got your washer dryer, full size stacked right there in the hallway for easy access. Further down the hall, we come into the guest bedroom. Nice big room, window AC above, closet on the opposite side. And then right outside the door here is the guest bath. Beautiful flooring, cabinetry, all decked out nice. This one's got a tub. Beautiful tile leading up to new fixtures. Love the pebble going down the center. Just a great, great setup. All right, let's head back out, bank a right, then we'll go check out the master bedroom. Straight off the Kegerator into the master bedroom. Now that's a California King, and it fits in here nicely. AC up above, lounge area right outside the master bedroom, and then here we are looking back at the bathroom and walk-in closet. The beach is my happy place. Check out this bathroom, beautiful. All new flooring, double vanity, double mirrors, double light fixtures, and then opposite is this awesome shower. It's got a rain head and a wand. They really thought about everything here. Corner bench, super nice. All right, let's head back out, hit the Kegerator, pour ourselves a leatherback, and then we're gonna go check out the beach. I started it, now let me finish it. Oh yeah. All right guys, let's go. Okay, that's the unit right there on the end. Easy access to the pool and the beach, and then check out the gardens. These are awesome traveler's palms, so beautiful. If you poke a hole right there in that palm, I wouldn't recommend you do it. You'll get a gallon of fresh water, hence the name, Traveler's Palm. Nice little picnic spot here under the umbrella. And then here we are looking back towards the pool and the ocean. Let's go check that out next. Okay, we're looking back up at the unit, through the gate, past the Jenga, past the grill, and check out this amazing pool area. Just gorgeous. It's even got your own little beach pavilion, We got bathrooms down here. Man, this place is set. If you want to check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. In the meantime, pour yourself a leatherback and have a beautiful St. Croix day. Until next time, bye-bye. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that property tour. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking down here. We'd appreciate your support. And if you want to see more videos, click up here. In the meantime, we look forward to seeing you here on beautiful St. Croix.